Yeah. Thank you so much for agreeing to come on video. Alright, how you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Weather treating you well? I have your package here. I see it's a small package. It's the first time, right?
Yes, it's my
So
first time.
you're testing us. I know, man. I know.
Thank you so much, Robert.
You're welcome. Anytime I see small packages, I say, the person I taste and buy.
That's true.
And did you get to use your coupon? Your 5-pound coupon?
Yes,
Why did it? Okay. But you know you could have gotten this shipped for no shipping charges, right?
I'm actually going to buy something else. I was just
And you're
trying
going to use it. You're just testing us out to that small pack. I know, anytime I see it, I know it's a test out. You saw us on social media?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you did see us on social media and you decided to try us out. I'm not wrong, yeah, man. Taste and buy, yeah. So you like the service?
Yes, customer service.
Good customer service. It was quick and you got it delivered to you.
That's right.
Alright, that is good. You save your time and money, right? You don't have to go up on the road.
I don't have to be long.
Yep.
Or in the way
Exactly. Exactly. Alright, so bye-bye to the guys for me. Yeah? Alright. Alright, guys. Alright, you got it, guys. Go ahead, try us. Ship your items from the US to Jamaica. Get delivered to your doorstep, yeah? Alright, later. Thank you so much, yeah?